One of you.
Pass it, play.
Nice one, Shreyas. Well done. Heads up. It's okay. Try, Shreyas. Up. Come on.
When you're getting chances, you have to utilize the chances. Last time you all scored goals, and that you have to utilize. Okay, be ready. Come back. Milan, move towards your right. Milan Nair.
Good one.
Win the ball in front. Go, Rona. Where are you running?
Samit.
Win the ball. Rona, win the ball. Rona.
Go.
Rona, win the ball. Dakshin, good Dakshin. Good shot, Dakshin. Go, give high five to him.
But where do you think well
Rona, stop. What? Dakshin.
Abhiyog, come on, set your ball ready.
Dakshin swimming.
It's time.
Okay, please, come on.
Come on, Ritin. You are still in the game. Come on.
Jogging
Bihan,
again.
talk to him.
Be ready,
Up.
Dakshin.
Up. Ritin, up. Bihan, see who's coming.
Alright, you have to support him, not watching him. Alright, you have to support him.
Good Shreyas.
You have to go support.
Come back, Dakshin. Milan, go back.
Sami, use him back again.
Arav,
Rona,
run.
Rona,
Go,
don't want to come back,
Go
Rona.
side, don't come back.
Hold up.
Victor.
Nice one, Shreyas. Get this.
Here, I want you here.
Samit, go.
Final
Go. Nice one, Samit. Let's go. Shreyas, where's the gap?
Back to your position.
Hey, come behind.
Arav.
Stay behind him.
Be behind him.
Behind
Keep it
him.
ahead or behind.
Good Dakshin. You come stand with Dakshin.
Go.
Go, Milan, go.
Coming up.
Go, run up.
Sami,
Rona,
speed.
Rena, what the
Ready,
hell?
who? Ritin.
Arav. Come on, Arav.
Arav.
Go, run up.
Rona, you're not winning the ball.
Samit, go high. Bihan, talk to him. Get him higher.
Even defend what you're doing, defend.
Tamanna, check your shoulder. Drop.
What you're doing, when you're playing like that. That's not simple. You get the ball, go score a goal. What
Let's go.
Hey, Arav.
Nice one.
Arav, go.
You got it ready.
Arav, come here, Arav. Arav.
It's okay, Shreyas, try. Come on. Shreyas, you're still in the game. Come on. Bihan, who's taking that man? Let's go, Shreyas, force this dribble. Samit, check your shoulder. Shreyas, force this dribble so he can cut. Check your shoulder.
Milan, go inside the D. Run up.
Shreyas, get inside.
Towards the goalkeeper. Run up, towards the goalkeeper.
Shreyas, towards your right.
Towards the goalkeeper.
Block it. Nice one. Good work.
Again, be ready.
Let's go again. Shreyas, you need to go. Arav. Come here. Shreyas,
Arav,
be
get
ready.
inside.
Yes, good.
Run up, be ready. Run up.
Go. Forward.
Go, Arav, shoot. Good shot,
Good
Arav.
on.
Good, Milan.
Come on, Ritin.
Run up.
Nice one, Abhiyog.
Start, run up. There only be.
Stay there, run up. Come back. Dakshin, come back, Dakshin. Dakshin, come back.
Keep it down.
Let them play there.
Go. Run up, go.
Let's go. Good one. Nice one, Sami. Shreyas is there.
Win the ball. Try to win the ball.
Tamanna. Get into 1-2 there. Ask him.
Run down the ball.
Sanmit, bit more inside. More central.
Dakshin, be ready, Dakshin. Go.
Go.
Sanmit, go.
Go.
Look, who's free? Try. It's okay. Ritin, Sanmit,
Run up.
Sanmit
Hey.
right.
Who asked you to come back? Run up.
Good. Let's go. Who's
Run up, stay there. Run up, stay there.
Try. It's okay. One of you.
Okay. Run up, you have to stay there only. Run up, don't
Run
come
up.
back. Run up, stay there only. Don't come back.
Bihan, again back. Nice ball. Good.
I want tackle. Tackle. Hey.
Try. Come on. Shreyas. One beat, get that shoot. Ritin. Higher. Higher.
Arav on the line.
Hey, we are there. Come on. Samit, take this man. Inside. Towards your left. Yes.
Arav on the line. Good. Go,
Bihan,
go,
just
Arav.
stay. You got him. are going, anyone can go. The other has the ball.
Stay there.
Milan, Milan, Milan. Elian,
Good
go
ball there.
Elian, that side. Elian, that side.
Tamanna,
That
check
side.
your shoulder.
Ball is that side. Elian, move that side. Go, Elian.
Let's go,
Go,
Elian.
Elian.
Nice one, Nitin.
Receive, watch your player pass.
Pass.
Hey,
Go.
hey.
White, nice ball. Get that.
Yeah, come here.
Try. Tamanna, good work. Shreyas, you will get your chance. Shreyas, doing good. Come on. Make sure next time you get on target. Samir, check your shoulders. Got this. Go.
Okay, go, kick.
Pressure.
Go.
Good one, Sami.
Arab.
Nice one, Sami.
Yeah, Milan, come
Elian,
back.
stay there. Elian, stay there up. Elian, stay up.
One of you.
Shoot.
Good ball.
Hey.
Be hard.
When you shoot,
Where's the passing
don't
option?
move your body.
Good, Milan.
Don't keep nodding your head.
He's having a passing option.
Play.
So we have to press.
All you come out now. Be on it. Was good, Milan. You're playing that, Milan. Good goal. Stand there. And you have to stay as a striker. Don't come back. Who is getting chance as striker, stay there. And okay.
Beyond.
Red out.
Arab goal, white players. Samir, check your shoulders. Let's go, Samir, go.
Elian, come. Elian, come. Come now, that.
Go, Samir.
Go, Milan. It's okay. Milan, go. Milan, go.
Up, one of you. Good one. Nice one.
Go for it. Take it, relax. Inside, huh?
Arab, get inside. What Dakshit? Elian, be ready.
Beyond, take one man.
Go, it's okay. No
Arab,
problem.
come to the ball.
Arab, Arab, Arab.
Raise, make a run.
Tackle Arab, don't leave. Hold. Milan, no need to turn.
Wait, hold.
Wait, watch, wait.
Tamanna, a bit tired. Samir tired. Go.
Joda, mera.
Nice one.
Hey,
Forward, buddy.
Elian, play, Elian.
apne mein aa.
No, dribble.
Good.
Go ahead, Sami. Good one.
Shoot.
Abhi kya? Nice one. Again. Come on, Samir.
Come, Darshik, come. Come on.
If you want to play on the wing here.
Get ready enough.
Hey, Darshik, come, Darshik.
Good ball, let's
Go,
go.
hold. Good.
Good one.
Play.
Pass it in.
Milan, aado.
Good,
Good side. Tamanna, come on.
Wait,
One of
go
you,
up,
one of you.
Elian is coming.
Cross,
Elian is coming.
cross.
Cross. Elian.
It's okay, Elian.
Move that side. Apne mein right side go.
Good ball.
Arab,
Arab,
right.
to the ball, buddy.
Wonderful, Arab. Play.
Go.
Take it. Hold it. Good one. After happen. Go
Go.
to the ball.
Samne.
Good. Good, Elian. Go, Elian.
Go, Elian, it's okay, you got the ball.
Okay. Handball. Come back. Come back now.
Stay
Arab, come back. Mark your man. Something here.
Play on the wing.
Come back. Milan, come back. That's it.
Watch
There you
it.
are.
Apna mein,
Come back. That's it. Yeah, stay there.
lagtane.
Right side go.
Papa,
Hold faster. Hold faster again. Hold man. Tag it. Hold. Tag.
Let's go.
Hold man. You got the ball.
Hold in there. Hey.
You got the ball. Play.
Nice one, Shrey. Tamanna.
Play. Go.
Go, Elian, dribble him. Go in the open space.
That's all.
Go ahead. That's it.
That's all.
Go.
Hey.
Dribble, Ra.
Shoot. Left. Be careful. That's it.
Slow down.
Elian.
Listen.
Big shot.
Listen. Which side the ball was? Your side or his side? Who's the press there?
Where is it? What is it? Milan, you be there. Milan, you be there.
Let's go.
Arab, go Milan.
Try.
Clear.
Just stay.
Come on.
Tamanna, look. Okay.
Go back.
Tamanna, ask. If you don't ask, he's not going to play
That's
you.
it. Be ready.
Yes.
Go. Milan, hold on. Hold on. Tackle maಡು. Go. Hold on. Tackle maಡು. Watch the ball. Tackle now. Go. Pass. Quick. Go. Elian have to make a run, Elian. Don't stop. Make the run.
Tamanna, good work. You need a turn. Fine.
Yeah.
Milan, you come in center.
Milan,
you play
Milan,
striker.
Milan.
Milan, striker.
Go, Milan. Go, Milan. Go.
Go.
Elian, come. Good, Elian.
Go.
Go. Pass. Milan.
Malak, it's okay, please.
Go.
Pass to Milan.
Shoot
Pass to
now.
Milan.
Shoot now.
Pass.
Return. Much better.
Pass to Milan. Milan, ask.
Zian, if he's going to press, what do you do? Stay for the cover there. Don't come in.
ಅப்புறಮೇ we have to want to tackle.
Always coming from behind. Back again. So that
Watch. Dakshin will get the ball.
Yeah.
Elian team, Dakshin will
Arab,
get the ball. Go,
Arab,
Milan.
Arab.
Good, Dakshin. Hey.
You got the ball, play.
Tamanna, check your man.
Cross.
Pass. Adi. Go for the rebound. Hey. Milan. Katta go. Hey, Dakshin. Sometimes I think you're shooting pass and you go take one. Play 1-2. Here.
Well
Hey, Dakshin. Pass and then go. Be ready. ಅಪ್ಪುಮೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ
Go, Arab, Milan, go.
ಎಲಿಯಾನ್ will get the ball ಅಪ್ಪುಮೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡು ಓಡು ಬಾ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಾ
Milan, you got the ball.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಾ
Milan, you
go
got the
Milan
ball.
press ಎಲಿಯಾನ್
Inside.
press ಎಲಿಯಾನ್ hey win the ball when you're pressing you have to make sure that you win that ball that's an opportunity for us cross ಎಲಿಯಾನ್
Up now. Get the team higher.
straight kick little hard
Milan, go. Go, hold the ball.
on the line go on the line
Nice one. Try there.
go ಅಪ್ಪುಮೆ
Submit well.
tackle Dakshin you can tackle wonderful Dakshin
Stand
Ah,
up.
help ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೋಗು ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು
Submit well.
ಅರ ಎಲಿಯಾನ್ ರನ್ ಎಲಿಯಾನ್ I just shoot no you be there
Tamanna, if he's going to
corner kick
Milan, where you have to be now?
you're also committing with him.
Milan, from where you have to come? Milan.
Check your man.
Milan.
Arab be ready Arab play see the ball first drop the ball and play Elian go Elian good try Elian
Good ball.
okay Milan change left Milan
Get back to strike. Submit.
hey I know
Stay on the wing.
you focus on the match go Nax win the ball Nax go down go ಹೊರಡಾಕೋ ಜೋರಾಗಿ Good Milan good but good
Submit. Good run, but where do you have space?
go back to your position now
Use that.
Milan come back that's it hey good
Tamanna, help him.
Elian go man on you
Use Tamanna so that she can pass it back.
man on Dakshin man on you go Nax move forward Nax you have to be in the open space Nax Elian with the ball leave and take
Tamanna, ask.
good Ara
Sami.
come back Elian come back good Milan play
Sami, there is combination there. 1-2 left. Tamanna is coming. Grace is coming. Look.
watch your man Elian come this side now
Big hit.
Nax come this side watch the ball Dakshin come back Dakshin
Go, Arab. Go.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಓಡು ಓಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕಲ್ ಮಾಡು ಓಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಡ್ತು
Can you try?
Go, India, go. Hold it, go.
Good spin up. Hold. Try.
ನೀನು ಓಡಿ ಬೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
Go, next. Go.
you have to go hold watch and
Submit.
tackle
Good work, but
not just running
get
and
away
getting
from the
beaten
ball next time.
understood ಅಪ್ರಮಯ್ಯ no not too high for him ಅಪ್ರಮಯ್ಯ played ಓಡಿ ನೋಡಲಿ ಐ
Tamanna getting free.
come back Wait. Come, Elian. We have to come, Elian. One of you need to come. Watch the ball. Tackle. Good
Let's go
tackle.
again. Put pressure.
Kick it in.
Pressure.
Kick hard. Go tackle, Nax. Nax, you have to win that ball. You have to win the ball. Yes, Nax. Pass. Watch the ball. Go up, Pranaya. Go, Elian. Good, Elian. Go up. Be ready for the rebound. Nax. Aro, go for the rebound. Pranaya, come back. Aro, be ready for the rebound. Elian, be ready.
Arif, come from
Nax,
back. Go
Nax,
back.
come friend. Nax, Nax. Elian. Elian, you have to be ready, Elian.
Arif, come back.
Come back. That's
Go,
it.
Dustin, go.
Good job. Stay there. Good Dakshin. Elian, you have to be ready, Elian.
Elian, stay.
Come back, Elian. Mark your man. Arif, stand straight.
Hey,
Arif, stand
Dustin,
straight.
come back.
Hey, Apurna.
Dustin, come back.
Sanmay,
Go.
you're too far, understand?
Apurna, stay there. Active, Apurna.
Sanmay,
Give the ball to the corner.
you're coming for the second post, then be on the edge of
Hey,
the
go
deep
back.
post.
Arif, again.
Dustin.
Yeah, there.
Active, bro.
Hey,
Mark your man, Elian. Mark your man.
ready, hero.
Ritin, Taman, yeah, good call, Tamanna. Let's go, Sanmay.
Go for the ball.
Sanmay,
Go for the ball.
ready, support him.
That's it going. That's go for the ball. Leave it.
It's okay, Ritin, try. What was the idea? Ritin,
Come on, I need
you
to
pass
play
it.
Nax.
Cross is there.
Nax.
Behind where? Tamanna where now?
Nax.
Who has to go? Tamanna, take that man. Nice one, Sanmay, let's go.
Hey.
Hey,
Come here.
take the touch to the right. Be ready and kick the ball on the right. Watch this. Take the ball again.
Come front of the ball.
What's the problem? Apurna, you're not playing. Ball action. On Bharat pitch, take the touch to the right and kick the ball in.
Hey, that's it. Nax.
Focus.
Go.
Kick the ball in. Yeah, go, here.
Go. Nax,
Go,
go.
Tamanna.
Go, Nax.
Nice one.
Go,
Nice
Nax.
one.
Good, Nax, go.
Good work. Very
Elian,
nice.
support.
Elian, come.
Ara, come back, Ara.
Go. Good.
Ara.
Arif,
Pressure.
Arif.
Good,
Come
let's
here,
go.
come here,
Heads
Arif.
up.
Referee, change ref.
Sanmay, how do you release that pressure? Inside or back? What do you do? Wide or back? Not inside to Tamanna, where she's already under pressure. Understand? Sanmay, why are you dropping? Go high. Sanmay, go high.
Hey, Elian, go. It's not a kick in.
Ritin, why are you dropping so much? Behind.
Hold the ball. Hey, that's it. Come forward. Come this side. Hey, Elian, go there.
Sanmay, be ready. Sanmay, go.
Go there.
Chase him.
Hey, smart,
Tamanna, out. Good work. Let's go.
Dustin, come.
Try.
You got the ball again.
Try. Good work.
Go inside, Elian. Hey, take your time and kick
Tamanna, where's your man?
Take your time and kick
Behind, who has to take?
Why not ready?
Nax.
They're right footed, right? Yes, sir.
Hey,
Now.
go.
Don't look here.
Go.
See the
Again.
Go, Elian.
Pick the ball. We're just standing and dreaming.
Elian, why are you kicking on?
Ritin,
Or you take a touch and be ready
Ritin,
to kick the ball.
Elian,
inside.
let him pull. That time you take.
You're doing mistakes. How will I ask you to pass it back to you? Go. Back way, put your right side.
Nax,
Right
come on,
side,
Nax.
to the right. Yeah, stay there.
You got the ball. Go. Go, Elian.
Tamanna is there to combine.
Tackle.
Go.
Elian, you're
Go.
going to fit. I'm giving break for that. Go.
Play.
Go. Cross. Nax, shot.
Arre, bhai.
Ref, change ref.
Left change.
Dakshin. Go down, hit it. Dakshin. Go, run fast. You have tied a lace sitting here. Good. Put out your right side. You're playing midfield. Milan, you're playing midfield. It's a bottom period, yeah. Hey,
Tamanna, you're behind that man. Can you get into the gap where you can receive? Yeah.
keep playing it from one perfect to one.
Elian, hold.
Pardon.
Wait, don't go, wait. She'll pass under the left. Come. It's okay.
Hala, try.
Hey, come, take it,
Elian.
Arab, take, come.
Behind, who's taking the man?
Keep the ball in front. Arrange the ball well. Keep the ball run fast.
Milan.
Drop. To go.
Ara, kick the ball. Milan on the line. Kick the ball on the line to Milan. Kick the ball quick.
Kiddhar
Milan
जा रहा है?
Milan on the line.
Try. Good and special. Let's go.
Go. Milan, go. Good. Go.
Ara.
Good.
Who has to go?
Next.
Shoot. Nah.
Next. Come inside.
Milan, I think the shooting would have passed to Nats.
You delay. And then decide if it was good. Good one, Tamina.
And go. Leon. Come inside. Arav, good ball.
Inside is supposed to go. Oi.
Play.
Race. Come on. You can still do better, buddy.
Run for the ball, Milan. Elian, run for the ball.
Hey, come from back, Milan.
Ara, long ball.
Milan.
Ara, long ball in.
Second post. Sit down.
Go, Elian. And ball out. Play. Again, cross. I want you cross.
Nice one behind.
Again, Ara.
Good
Good, Ara.
work.
Good
Play
thinking.
forward. Sammy, go. Race, go quick.
Hey, Milan.
Milan,
Up ball, ref.
Ref, upper.
Ref.
Come back.
Good one.
Go.
Watch the ball and tackle, Milan. You're not supposed to come in.
Race. Good control, but did you have space to take another touch?
Don't go commit.
Try, Shreyas. Hey, you're still in the game. You will get your chances. Come on. Sammy, good ball.
Wait. Hold matter. Again, Elian, come. Ticket mela come. Go, Elian, go. Good, Elian.
Go. Milan, good.
Elian, clear ಮಾಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ. Hey, ಒಳ್ಳೆ. Good, Elian. Wonderful, Elian. That's all.
Come next.
Now we have
Come
time.
next.
Let's go. Win the ball.
Ball.
Good, Nat. Wonderful. See how Nats is rushing. That's why you have
Right.
Right, challenge
Good,
him.
good,
Now,
Elian.
Arun, challenge him. Kick.
The ball well.
Go.
Good, Milan. Don't be scared.
Nats.
Nats.
It's okay, Nax. You have to be ready, Nax.
Now which side? Abhiyo.
Come left.
Good.
Wait, Milan, you be there.
Good,
Good,
Nats.
Nats.
Clap for Nats. See how well. Good, Nats.
Corner.
Now stay strong on the field. Stay strong.
Corner.
Okay, that's it. You get in. Get into the corner. Elian, come out.
Take a water break.
Nats out.
Take up the ball.
Keep changing.
Don't be disappointed. Get those shots. On target.
Go for the ball. Good one. Good now. Good. Come back, Milan.
Come back, Milan.
Rakshit, come back.
Rakshit.
pass the ball first.
Hey, front of the ball.
Quick also.
Now, Milan, go. Go, Milan. Press. Cut the option. Win the ball.
Go.
Come on, 1-1. Wonderful, Milan.
It's okay, come.
Good one. Let's go.
Half time.
Right.
Good. Come. Be ready. Leave and take. Good. Be active. Come for the ball if the ball is not coming to you. Hold maado. Wait. Watch Elian this side. Ye kade Elian nodi ikkada aka Aaru mela Aaru go for the ball.
Sammy, press.
Go Aaru.
Nice one.
Tackle. Rakshit tackle.
Harder.
Pass பண்றாங்க.
Good, let's go.
Hold. Yeah, watch Rakshit.
Behind back.
Good throw. Aaru go fast. Take a long touch and go. Take long touch and go. Go. Keep going. Cross.
Nice one.
Good Aaru.
Right. Behind.
Aaru take.
Use your body here to block him. No.
Aaru take.
Rakshit, what I have told you.
Who's taking the man?
Rakshit, what I have told you.
Aaru long ball. Make a run now. Long ball. Keep hard. I know you can keep hard. Come for the ball. Elian.
Nice one, Abhiyo. Be quick. Stay off.
Be ready.
Okay, good. Sammy, man. Good ball. Let's go.
Check.
There is space. Good Apramaya.
Go up, Rama.
Oda munde.
Good one, Sanmit. Press it.
Yellow ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ
Well done. Good one, Sanmit.
Ball ಮುಂದೆ ಇರು.
Aaru, come back.
Rakshit. Ball go.
Rakshit, go stand in front of the ball.
Now ask.
Oda.
You go.
Rakshit, you go back.
Mundukke.
Hey, center.
Elian, be ready, Elian. Elian, be ready.
Shreyas, go help her. Go to the ball.
Elian, be ready. I told you to be ready. I know. உள்ள போடு உள்ள போடுறா ரக்ஷித் உள்ள வா கோல் கீப்பர் கிட்ட ரக்ஷித்
Let's go, Rakshita.
ரக்ஷித்
Rakshita, Rakshita.
Keep distance. Don't go too close to come. Distance.
come first win the ball I don't know you have to win the ball
Get the-
You have
get
to win
the-
the ball I
get the
don't know.
rotation,
Come,
buddy.
Elian, watch the ball and tackle Elian
Good ball, let's go. Nice ball.
Apramaya good Milan wonderful Milan clear go for the ball Rakshit
Good. Inside.
Milan wonderful Milan Nair
Right.
good Apramaya
Go,
order
go.
order
Nice one, Samit.
take,
Yes,
ball.
yes, come on, find that ball. We
Rakshit
will
take
that
Elian
ball.
get it
Yes.
good Milan Rakshit wait Ara where are you
Yes,
going
you're
go back
trying. I can see that. Come on.
wait Ara go Apramaya in the ball Ara go
Sammy,
inside
Sammy,
Ara
take
go
command.
inside.
Rakshita,
Go fast,
where?
run fast
Drop.
run fast Ara will get the ball okay it was a foul come back
Rakshita, why you hide?
it's okay
For
come
what?
back come back Elian come back
Who's taking the man? Rakshita, you need to
Rakshit,
throw.
get on the ball.
Stop the ball.
Rakshit, I'm not going to tell you that. Good ball. Rakshit, good ball. Rakshit. Rakshit, that was a foul. Referee has given a foul. Stand in front of the ball.
Sammy,
Elian,
where?
come back.
Be quick.
Hey, Rakshit. What a ball getting in there.
Beyond.
Hey, turn, hey. There's the ball, Rakshit.
Be ready. Arav. Rakshit, take the kick.
It's okay, it's okay.
Arav,
Come on,
get
come
inside.
on.
Arav,
Up.
get in.
Arav. Shreyas, come on,
Rakshit.
Shreyas.
Rakshit. What? Rakshit. Oh,
Rakshita,
Rakshit.
take the first man. Beyond.
Arav.
Rakshita.
Arav,
Take
come
this
here.
man, yes.
Elian ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Go, Elian.
Let's go, Rakshita.
Rakshit, hold it. Good one.
One of you.
Cross. Hey, Apramaya, ನಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Hey, Rakshita. Good one. Let's go.
ಅರ್ರ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ರ. Rakshit.
It's in. Nice one. Nice one.
Hey, Rakshit. You stand. You come out,
Sammy, come by, quick. Tamanna, not behind the man.
You have to be here. Go, Rakshit, win the ball. You
Watch
get
the
the
ball,
ball.
press.
Wonderful. Rakshit, go, Ra. Rakshit, Ra. Hey.
Up.
Hey.
Abhyog. Start using Bihan more now. Sammy, come by.
Wait.
Come on, Bihan. Let's go, who's free?
Elian, win the ball now.
Let's go. Tamanna, come on.
Add tough, add it. Don't give up. You can play well. Come on.
Come on, Sammy.
Dribble in the line and go. Pull him.
Keep the ball on him if you can. Pass.
Tamanna, we got him. Good boy. Play.
Dakshit, go that side.
Let's go.
Go,
Nice one.
Hey! Kick! Hey, Apramaya!
Player, now
Rakshita.
pull back.
Good one, Rakshita. Play. Good one. Try
Go,
there.
Elian! Inside!
Sammy, take
Elian,
the man.
Elian! Shoot, Ara.
Come on, Bihan. You can dribble. Try.
Why are you giving the ball away? Come, start in front of
Come
the
here,
ball.
Nash. Come here, fast.
Sammy, go ahead.
Dakshit, slow, come back.
Play.
Come, Arav.
Back to him.
I want proper tackle from our
Again.
Dribble and go on the line. Where are you going? Kick the ball in. Go.
Sammy, you know there are. Where do you play? Come on, how many times you have done that? Every time you're trying to go forward and we are losing. Come on. Be quick, Abhyog.
Go.
Go, Apramaya. Apramaya, tough on hard.
Rakshita, forward.
Go.
Yeah, Apramaya, ball. Arav, go. Nax, go. Nax, you have to go. Don't sit there playing strike from beginning.
Nash, you have to be prepared for
Come here. Go to the ball. Again, win the ball. Go, Arav. Back, want the ball. Go. Go for the rebound. Come back, Elian, come back.
Sammy.
Put outside.
Let's not lose. Bihan, go long if needed.
Arav, come here. Come back. Hold. Wonderful holding. Good. Go down. That's all. See, Apramaya.
Come on, Sammy.
Go.
We got him. Good one.
It's okay. Come back. Go.
Stand in front of the ball.
Hey, Apramaya, be ready. Dakshit, go back. Pinadi pada kunja. Dakshit, go. Pass to Daksh. Pass, Dakshit. Where? Pass to Dakshit. Go, Dakshit. Go.
Tamanna, help him.
Arey, come on.
Who's free? Good.
Go. Go, Ilya, come,
Come in
come,
the ball.
Ilya.
Sami wide.
Come,
He gave,
Go,
he
go,
gave.
pass Dakshin and play. Pass. Pass.
Go.
Pass to him, pass to him.
Nice one, Rachita.
Press.
Good.
You get the ball, press.
Pass to Dakshin, go away. Go, Nas.
Rachita, go for.
Go.
Hey,
Good.
Pass to
Get
Dakshin
up,
and play
Nas.
now. You go
Try,
to the
try,
pass and
Sami.
play. Dakshin and Ilya,
Beyond.
pass and play
Beyond.
now.
Ball is too much there. Go
Yeah,
long.
pass
Go
it
long.
in.
Avyog.
Nax, come on.
Don't build, go long.
Achhiga goal mega.
Go long.
Nax, where you should support.
Nas, what are you doing?
No center. Wide.
Go forward.
Apramya, be ready.
Go.
Good ball.
Apramya.
Let's go. Nice one.
Apramya, watching the game. Apramya, hey, you watching the game? Hey, Elian, come here. Apramya, ಆಡೋಲೆ. Hey, ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆರೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋ. Elian, come Elian, come this side. ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋ.
Go. Let's go.
Elian,
Sami.
play da Elian. Pass and play Elian.
Too close. Come on.
Go to Dakshin. Hey, pass and play.
Come on,
Pass.
Sami.
Nax, receive.
Yes,
Dakshin,
buddy.
go. Dakshin,
Good.
play 1-2 Dakshin. Hey, Apramya.
Get up, Nax. Good.
Elian, ask. Elian,
Elian,
play,
take off.
Elian, you get the ball.
Good one,
Hey,
Rachita.
hey, Apramya, play man.
Nax.
Hey,
Nax.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ದು ನಿನಗೆ
Coach. Coach. She got hurt. She got.
Hey, Dakshin,
Water, water.
after passing to Nax, you go for 1-2. Elian, come back, come here. Come here. Elian, come here. We are staying there. Nax, go back. Nax, go back. Elian, come here, Elian. Come here, Elian. Come on. Stay there. Elian, see the ball and then make the run. Okay? Ara goes to the center side. What happens now, Elian? See now. The ball will come out of place. You be ready. You receive it. You don't come in. They will run disturb. When the ball is out of their position, then you go. You could have scored one goal easily. Be ready, keep jogging. Hey, Barakada, you're watching the game, you're not playing. You have to play as well. Apramaya, when they're doing something, what are you doing? You have to watch. Elian, keep jogging, Elian. Elian, hey, Anna, be ready. Watch the ball, man. You guys dreaming. Elian, be ready to run for the ball, okay? Elian, be ready. Elian, be ready. Elian, I told you now. I told you. What did I tell you? Elian, what did I tell you? See, that's why you have to listen and play. I told Elian to wait.
Beyond. Come on. Come on.
Okay, ref, change ref. That's all. Proceed, get it.
Ilva, Ilva,
Hey.
Ilva. Center starter la. After pass, run.
Hey, behind, no long.
Press. Heel kick, go.
Play.
Number 4, go.
Hold. Wait. Watch Elian. Watch Elian.
Retain.
Elian, go down. Good
Elian,
throw.
on you.
Go, Elian.
Go.
Go, Elian. Go.
Go, Ilya, go.
Go, cross the ball.
Go.
That's it.
Go.
That's it.
Go.
Good cover, Tamanna.
Hey, what?
Tamanna, good cover.
Working hard. Movement. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಚುನ್ನಮಡ hey Elian, go cross, watch your player. Sometimes you have chance, then you shoot. Sometimes pass. Elian,
Samrat,
that's
where?
things you have to do. Ara, go back towards the left side. Watch the ball. Elian, watch there only. Yeah, spin the ball here, it's good. That's it. Go Elian. Go there.
Wait.
Go Elian. Come straight. Good, it's okay. Come, that's it. Bara le. Come fast, don't let them shoot. Elian, go back. That's it.
Where now, Sami? Quick. Beyond.
You get the ball.
Beyond, not inside. Ahead, buddy.
Go. Now you go. Now you got the ball. Yeah. Ara,
Pressure. Sami, go. Tamanna, follow. Good. Come on, Sanmit.
Elian, where are you running towards him?
Good pressure. Let's go.
Cross. Elian, come back, Elian.
Nice one, Sanmit. Good work.
Yeah. I told you. Elian, come here.
Sami, second post. Beyond. Drop. Sami, take this player.
Yeah. Dakshin, ulo pode, mele.
Tamanna.
Elian, go.
Good on, Avyog. Well done, let's go.
Come back, Elian. Come
Go
back.
long.
Arav, come back.
Come back, Elian.
Good. Fresh, check your man.
Go.
Go, Apramaya, go.
Go.
Good, Apramaya.
Sanmit, be quick. Sanmit.
Apramaya, ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು Apramaya.
Good ball.
Tackle, Milan.
Come
Good,
in,
Milan,
come.
don't. Milan. Hey. Hey, Milan.
Leave the ball, man. Leave
Hey.
the ball out.
Leave the ball out or kick the ball out that side. Right? You're passing to the opponent to score a goal. Oi.
Shreyas,
You're passing
go
to
ahead,
open to
that's
score a
it,
goal.
Shreyas, come on, you.
Hey, Darshik.
Kick the ball. Here. Oi. Kick the ball that side or kick the ball out. Good, Apramaya.
Nice one.
Milan, think smart, Milan.
Which side? Come and ask.
Hey.
Rashid, come
Come
back.
on.
You
Come
have
back,
to know, I'm
Rav.
not going to
Come
tell you
back.
score, you have to know what is happening. That means they're not focusing on the match.
Hey, Rod. Come near that
That
girl.
means they're not knowing what's the mistake happening, what you should do, what you're not
Come near
supposed to
that
do.
girl, I told.
You are playing match.
Be there. When he pass, go to her.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೂವ್ ಅಪ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಓಡು ಮುಂದೆ
Arav.
Let me go.
ಪಾಸ್ ದಾ ಓಡು
Go.
Yes,
Arav,
yes,
come
yes,
support
yes,
him, Arav,
you
come
got
support
it,
him.
you got it. That's all. Good ball.
Hey, Elian, stay behind him. Come back. Arav, go inside.
Ritin, second post.
Hey, Milan, come up there.
Vihan, Shetty, first post.
Hey, Elian, put it. Arav, Elian.
Sammy, block the goal. Sammy, get between the ball and the goal.
Don't make that mistake.
Sammy, towards your left.
Referee give a red card for you.
Yeah, that's all. Stay.
Elian. Kick. Come for the ball.
Let's go, Vihan. Shreyas is there.
Go, Elian. That's it.
Good
Arav.
one.
Arav there. Rebound.
Good work, let's go.
Odio, ಹಂಗೆ, odio.
Nice one. Where's the space?
Arav there. Shoot. Pass and play, Arav, Elian. Arav, go.
Good,
Good
Arav.
side.
Hold.
Okay.
Leave.
Sanmit,
Milan,
Sanmit.
don't watch, at least make a run.
Half your. Look at the far side.
Wait.
Are you under pressure?
Darshik. Elian, ikade Elian haako. Elian, go for the ball. Good throw.
Sammy, track it.
Go,
Arav, go.
Go down. Keep
Go.
going. Go down.
Keep going, go.
Fast.
Go.
Ref. Okay. Hey, always respect
Vihan.
the players and the referee. I don't want that attitude from you. Understood? I clear
This is
that.
not the first time, buddy.
You're just
Vihan,
running
every
right
time this is
opposite.
happening.
Alright, okay.
You are getting beaten every time.
Sorry
How?
to the referee.
Which side you want him to dribble? Inside or
Hey,
outside?
you say sorry.
Then block the inside, no.
Don't show any attitude here. I clear.
You're fine?
Hey, Elian, make a run. Cut it. Elian, cut it. Cut it. I say cut it. Say sorry to the players. Go. Ask them what I have to learn. Discipline, guys. Sportsmanship first. First to next. I go to that. Only then I'll let the ball come. If you think you are a superstar, then your game will go down completely. You will never learn. Come back now. Come back there. Ara, what are you doing? Our players are there. You go back to your position. Take your position. Stand there.
Here.
Get ready.
Go back. Darshik, come back.
Sammy.
Elian, finish. Answer the go that side. That's the ulta giri there. I
Go.
told.
Win
Go.
the ball.
Win the ball, Elian.
Win the ball,
You're watching her play. Good one.
Pressure.
Good, Roshit. Good goal, Roshit.
Go.
Good thinking by Roshit.
Go, Elian.
Why, not inside.
Pass and play. Dakshit, support it. Hey, Elian. Yeah, after receiving,
Abhiyo.
you're watching.
She's surrounded
Who's
by
gonna go
three
tackle?
players. Where do you play?
Come back.
Elian, same thing.
Come
Elian.
on.
Ara, go to center. Elian, come back and go, Elian. Come back.
Rhythm
come
drop,
back.
rhythm drop.
And then make it
Vihan,
run. Now
man
you
behind
want
you.
the ball and run. Shoot. What do you lay?
Ball no. Good at Tamina.
Hey.
Again. Forward. A ball ref.
Hey, Ara, Roshit. Left side. Roshit,
Hey,
run,
Trace,
go.
play here. Sammy,
Elian,
go up.
Elian. Come on. You're playing midfielder. Go fast.
Go back. Go.
Advik, be ready, Advik.
Expect the balls to come here, get those dribbles successfully. I don't want you to just...
ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇ
Go! Go! Go, straight!
Beyond, Abhyuk.
ಈ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಹಾ
No. Hey, come. Abhyuk, focus. Get that contact to go. Come on.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ
Up.
Hey, shoot!
get ready
Shoot, lah!
shoot arra cross go run up one more run up hey Yajat
Sanmit. Samit, take your man. Vihan, Ritin, both are in the same place.
come back Milan watch the ball run Milan
It's a 1v1 buddy.
good Milan Nair clear good one ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀನು ಆಡಪ್ಪ
Which side now?
Go, Milan! Ado!
Apramea playing well go run up
Go!
go Milan shoot hey run up
Pressure, buddy.
hey kila press பண்ணு
Vihan, Shetty. Sammy fully free. What is the point of that dribble? Vihan, what is it? Press well.
Go! Where the ball? Go, press!
Ara, what are you doing? Go, Milan, inside. Milan, go inside. Cross. Milan, you have to
Abhyuk.
catch and go.
They're pressing high. Why do you have to build?
Corner kick left.
Understand?
Dakshit, Bandara. Knee adiva.
Abhyuk, what did I tell you last time?
Hey,
They're already
that's
pressing
it.
at play long.
Hey. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು ಟೈಮ್? Keep the ball on the inside the line. Referee saying don't move. You can't move all those in the matches. Hey, clear. Can't kick, not a problem. Adjust and kick. Let Arav take. Arav come. That's it, you go.
Tabana, take your man. Let's focus there.
Now Arav, hey, come towards the right side and then kick. Hey, come right side, this side. Be ready, that's it. Arav, long ball in Arav. Long ball. No power, you're not doing power. Right there.
Try, Sammy.
Kick hard, man. Kick hard again. Dakshit, nani leva. Kick hard.
Nice one, Sammy. Forward.
Good try. Where is Milan now? Ronald going. Ronald.
Try, Sammy. Sammy.
Should be there.
Sammy, understand, Sammy. Where's the...
What Milan?
Come on, Milan! Go!
Hey,
You got
hey,
the ball.
come Arav, come Arav.
Arav, come, you got
Good
the
Arav,
ball.
go Arav. Keep going, come Milan,
Milan, you
don't
got
leave,
the ball.
don't get beat.
Go.
I don't want to beat you. You have to challenge the tackle. I don't know what you're going to do. Come from Milan Nair.
Let's go.
Go!
Heads up.
Hey, Dakshit. Good. Left, goalkeeper, throw ಮಾಡಿ.
Ritin, play on the wing. Sammy, come on.
Dakshit, come friend. Watch Milan and throw. Watch Dakshit and throw.
Stay here.
Milan, be ready. Receive.
Turn and go!
Go. ಓಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು ಮುಂದೆ come go run
Run.
no I am going back I don't know
You run, you go to get the
You're
ball.
playing on here. Yeah, play.
go now hey
Come
go now
Rachita, if
Arav.
good decision, but if you think in trouble, go for a clearance there.
Where are you running?
But that touch has to be close if you want to build.
ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
Back.
Understand?
Still back, that's it.
Take a man.
Patrick, be ready.
Nice one.
Go,
Trace yours.
Dakshit.
Come, ball.
Milan, you have to go for the ball. Hold and tackle Milan Nair. It's a challenge for you. Don't leave him. Hey! Hey, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯ? ಏನ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ? ಆಗ ಮೇಲೆ. You're dreaming there? Oi!
Go, 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 Ritin,
Hey,
go!
Arab.
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Milan.
Go, come.
No foul, buddy. Just stand. Good.
Hey! ಏನ್
Good up,
ನಿದ್ದೆ
Vihan.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
Heads
ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
up, heads up. Hey, ಯಾಕೋ?
Go!
Which
Hey,
side?
don't let give.
Good one, Rachita, try. Vihan, Vihan, you got past him and dribble
Left,
now.
left. Keep
Now
your
you
chin.
need to dribble.
Wait, go.
Hey.
Come, you're dreaming there. Be ready, be ready. Arab, move towards the left, Arab. They're starting that side. Yeah, you have to
Not the
want,
ball.
know that, no?
Not the ball.
Go.
React, react.
Rakshit,
Pressure,
Rakshit,
pressure.
Rakshit, put it. Rakshit, look up. Rakshit, Rakshit, Rakshit.
Nice one, Rachita. Vihan, up, up.
Trust. Okay, Rakshit out. Rakshit out. Glenn out. Midfield. Got it.
Tamanna. If Rachita goes, cover for her, Tamanna.
Let's come.
Both are pressing the same and getting beaten at the same time. No point in
Okay,
it.
Apramay out. Just back. Guys, be serious. Ilian, I want to stand and make them play, not moving up. Now go back.
Tamanna higher.
Go back.
Tamanna
Ilian, you have to
higher.
make them stand and play because you have changed many
Yes,
players.
inside his feet.
Ilian, you are serious. Stay there. Ilian, stay and make them play. What is that
Okay,
pass?
okay.
Hold, hold. Good, keep it. Throw,
Go,
throw.
go,
Rachita higher.
Hey,
Tamanna
Ilian.
higher. Tamanna higher. Vihan,
Mela, go.
Dribble.
Let's go,
Arab.
Vihan, heads up.
Go.
Hey, Ilian, now all new players, you stand and make them play. Milan, make them play. Make Nuts play. Teach Nuts. Tell him what he should do. Tell him what Nuts should do. Tell him.
Go. Don't let him to take. Milan, come on.
Good, Milan.
Which side, Tamanna? Come on.
Hey, played Apramay.
Hey.
Good one, Vihan. Well done. Heads up. Good ball. Let's go. Tamanna, run to the ball.
Hey, play forward. Forward.
Which side?
Hey, Saket, what are you
Good.
doing?
Arab, you got the ball. Go.
Not inside now. Ritin, react. Not inside.
Go, go, shoot, shoot. Saket, shoot. Saket, got to be fast, Saket. Saket,
Lot of free space, buddy.
Run. Saket,
Good ball. Let's go.
Saket, you're jogging there.
Go, Nuts. Go,
Heads
Chelsea.
up. Heads up.
Saket,
Right,
if you're
Simon.
jogging, not going to work out.
Left.
Ritin.
Okay, make the wall there. Now, go stand in front of the ball.
Line one clear, Ritin.
Satik, you're playing midfielder. Go back, man.
Come on.
See, guys, now Satik is confused.
Tamanna. Slowly jogging to the ball is not going to work. Run to the ball.
See, you have to watch.
Go, Ilian. Go. Use your speed and go.
Ritin, man.
Go, pull and go. Go. Go, pull and go. Good ball. Rashid, come on, man.
Those things you have to learn. Not just sitting and playing there.
Ritin, man now. Ritin, come wide. Come wide. Come wide.
Wait, wait. You got Ilian. You got the ball.
Let's go, Ritin. Change. Go, go.
Last one, Yarra. No, from there you can't. So,
Vihan, just stay.
go for the rebound. Hey!
This one.
Satik, no, Satik.
Go. You got the ball. Nuts. Come on, hit the ball.
Good enough. Go to the referee, say thank you, say thank you to the players, coaches, go, first learn the discipline. Go, everyone go say thank you to the referees also. Guys, everyone go say thank you to the referees. Go, hey! Go, Gatra. Apramaya. Go,